Good morning, all of you. Today, we are gathered here to pay our heartfelt tribute to our founder, late Hakim Abdul Hamid Sahab. We certainly owe our progress and success to this great visionary philanthropist. We are proud to be a part and product of his vision. Hakim Sahab was the founder of more than a dozen institutions, including Hamdard University with his own resources. He was a great philanthropist, thinker, visionary, and to top it all, he was an institution in himself whose services to the nation are unparalleled in independent India. Hamdard was established by Hakim Hafiz Abdul Majid, the father of Hakim Abdul Hamid Sahab. He belonged to a family devoted to the herbal medicine system. The seed of this great establishment was sown in a small shop in Old Delhi in 1906. He too was a great philanthropist who devoted his life to herbal medicines. Hakim Hafiz Abdul Majid was the organizer and one of the leading founder pillars of Hamdard Laboratories. After his death in 1922, his younger son, Hakim Abdul Hamid, continued his legacy. It is worth mentioning here that Hakim Abdul Hamid Sahab had donned many hats in his lifetime. He was the Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University before becoming the founder Chancellor of Jamia Hamdard and founder and Chief Trustee of Hamdard Laboratories. Recognizing his valuable contributions, the Government of India conferred on Hakim Abdul Hamid Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri awards. Our own Rabia Girls Public School was established by Hakim Sahab in the loving memory of his late mother, Mohatarma Rabia Begum, in the year 1973. The motto behind the establishment was to provide a mainstream platform to impart modern education with a dominant blend of basic tenets of Islam to the girls of walled city. We, the students of Rabia, will forever remain humbly grateful to him for his endeavor. Let's all affirm today that we'll definitely live up to his expectations and contribute to the progress of our country. The nation in general and the Muslim community in particular will remember the selfless services of Hakim Sahab for time to come. May Allah bless our beloved Hakim Sahab with eternal peace. Amen.